Am I audible to everyone? So first of all, very happy Independence Day to everyone who just joined in. My name is Abhishek Tiwari, and I would like to introduce you to the Expert OPED platform, an initiative by Y4D Foundation. Uh, have a team that will actually lead the Expert OPED platform. We have various multiple platforms running by Y4D Foundation, and Expert OPED is one of them. With this initiative, we want to platform which would give user a substantial way or means platform which would help them out in discussing every aspect of the society, and we have formed a core team for this platform. I would just introduce the team. For the chairman of the Expert Obert platform will be held by Dr. Abhay Jire. He is chief scientist, vice president, persistent lab. Then we have um, advisor. The advisor is Sri Tarun Vijay, president, parliamentary group of India China Friendship, and founder director, India East Asia Research Foundation. Major Gaurav Arya is an alumni of St. Stephen's College, Delhi. He served in the Indian Army as a short service commissioned officer in the 17 Kumaon Regiment. Saurav Singh, serial entrepreneur, 13 plus years of professional experience, of which 7 plus years are as founding partner of EN startups across diverse domains. Our chief editor is Mr. Akshay Joshi, Anish Gokhale, sub-editor history Hitesh Kumar, organizational secretary Akshay Joshi. Now, Akshay Joshi works as an IT program manager with a major bank in New Jersey. He has around 15 years of experience in product management, program management in enterprise, software for the financial services vertical. He holds a bachelor degree from the University of Mumbai, a postgraduate diploma from Symbiosis Pune, and also an MBA from Baylor University in Texas. Anish Gokhale, sub-editor, history section. Uh, completed its schooling in Pune and is currently working in Merchant Navy as a navigating officer. He is an avid trekker, hiker, and takes a avid interest in Indian history. Hitesh Hitesh Kumar, organizational secretary. Hitesh Rangra is an engineering graduate who works for an IT firm. However, that's only his professional side. He has been more to social activities, who likes doing service activities. His interest includes reading from Vivekananda Chanakya Veer Savarkar. That's all for the expert of it team. Now I have with me the president of Y4D Foundation. He would take you further for the detailed description of expert of it.
Yeah, hi all. Sorry for all technical glitches and delay from our side. It's a very great opportunity for us and team Y4D that we are launching one more platform. We are actually launching two platforms. One is called Expert Oped and another is Vibridge. I'm thankful to the energetic team. They have come up with this idea, and all hard work was done last 4 or 5 months. A lot of people supported us, especially our mentors, Mr. Mrityunjay Singh and Ankush Tiwari ji helped us a lot on technical side. They have put up a lot of hard work in developing this platform and making available for the Y40 team. Then I'm again there is a lot of people joining us now. New team is joining us, and Abhayji is leading. In around 4 or 5 months back, we had a casual meeting, and we were discussing few points. And somebody suddenly asked why we are taking a certain number of Rafale fighters and not more or less than that. And there was many such topics which we always discuss. You will see most of our media. We have the media news channels. We have the portals, news portals, which create sensation, and we have the opinion portals. But there is a wide gap. We don't have portals which research and provide data and give you the freedom to make your opinion. That's where we have come up. We started discussing, and after a lot of discussion and brainstorming, we come up with this concept called Expert Oped, where we will give you the freedom to make your own opinion. We will not put up an article which will favor one or other side, but we will put up the facts. There will be a lot of research will be done before we put any article. And once research is done, we will try to put up those article basically. Initially, we will cover a few categories, and depending on support and people joining us, we will put up more categories. Our current focus is on economy, defense, education, history, foreign affairs. These are the few of the categories. I am thankful to the Mr. Tarun Vijayji, then Mr. Gaurav Arya, who are supporting us from the start of this initiative. Mr. GD Bakshi also committed us to write for a Expert Oped portal, and there are a few other people who are supporting us. I'm congratulated to the team, Mr. Akshay Joshi, then Anish Gokhale, and Hitesh Rangra. So for taking this initiative and building up this team around. We were expecting some question, but I think there is some technical thing. So can we get some question? Can you put in the charts if anybody? I'm not sure whether you can put up the something on chat. Yeah, I can see Hitesh. So Hitesh, is there any question?
No question, Professor.
Okay. Anybody else having any question? I know there was a lot of delay and yeah. So assuming there is no question, thanks everyone for joining this hangout, and we would like your support to taking this portal ahead. In initial days, we are not planning any ads or something. We will run only on donations until we survive. And once we have some financial crunch, we'll obviously go for some ads. So, but I hope for this good initiative, there will be a lot of support, and we'll need not to go for ads and everything. Thanks everyone.
हेलो
या
हेलो प्रफुल्ल जी, एक्चुअली ना हम नए हैं, हैंगआउट हमने फर्स्ट टाइम किया ना, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम से थोड़ा प्लान रहे। मेरे को तो अभी वीडियो ओपन हुआ है, अक्षय जी भी नए हैं, बाकी लोग